Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to walk you through the process of creating this beautiful jumbo braids. So I've already prepped this hair and I'm getting ready to start braiding. So guys, stay tuned and I will be right back.
Oh, it's Rita, baby.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rita. So I started by sectioning my daughter's hair, dividing it from ear to ear. Then I split that section into two, creating like an equal half of this hair. So I went ahead to start dividing the one at the down section, and then I kind of divided it into three parts. So here I'm trying to make sure the lines are clean enough for me to start braiding. I also applied my braiding gel just to make sure I got a clean line. Then I'm using this expression extension to start braiding. So guys, I'm demonstrating my gripping method here. So this is the technique I use when gripping. Taking a piece of extension, dividing it into two equal parts and place it in the position that I'll use in gripping this hair. So using my hand carefully, I align the extension, grip the hair, cross one part of the extension over, divided her hair into two and started braiding. So I follow the same method throughout the entire head. So after gripping her head, I made sure I start to braid. I started by making the braid tighter, and then I started releasing my hands just to get a loose braid. So because I'm creating these jumbo braids, this is what I did throughout the entire section of the hair. So once I started getting to the ends of the hair, I tried to create a tighter braid, and then I tied a knot around it in order not to allow it to loose. So to give a closer look, this is what I did. I showed the technique in detail. Separated this hair into two. I'm using my middle finger to hold part of this extension, and then put my index finger between that division, and that's how I place it to get a firm grip. So since we were creating a jumbo braid, so I ended up having I think 32 braids on her head. So I divided her hair into two, like I said earlier, and then I started to braid, crossing each extension just to get that a box look. And then if you can see, I added another hair here because we wanted a jumbo braid, like I said earlier. So what I did here was to make sure I braid this one a little bit, and then I started to release my hand just to get a loose braid. Okay, if you've watched this video up to this moment, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also hit the notification bell so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first to know. And also you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Rita Nwadinobi, and also on TikTok at Rita. Thank you very much as you do so. So guys, so this is what the braid is going to be looking like. We keep on braiding the hair. We make sure at the beginning it's kind of tight, then towards the as we continue braiding, we start to release our hand so that we have a loose braid like you saw earlier. So guys, along the line I introduced this pink shimmery thingy. It's like a strip, or yeah, it's like a strip. It shines in the light. So my daughter said she wanted something stylish on her hair, so I used this to accessorize her hair. And then yeah, we continue braiding the hair. So it's giving, she loved pink, so she wanted me to do that. So let's continue braiding. When we got to the front of the hair, I kind of did a stitch braid in front. So what I did here, I divided this, a little part of it as my starting point, and then I went ahead to divide this her hair into two, because that's what I will be working on. This is the way I can do my own stitch braids. I've got some tools for it, but you know, I never kind of get it right, but this is the best way I achieve my own stitch braid. So just watch and learn. If you are new to stitch braid, you can also learn how to plait the hair using this method. So I kind of started at the beginning, started plaiting, then I take some piece of hair from the left side, continue braiding, take some piece of hair from the right side, continue braiding. This is what I did to achieve my own stitch braid. And as you can see, she's not even flinching, she's not feeling the pain at all. So I guess this method was the best one for her, since even if I started doing the other way around, she just kept saying that it hurts her. But in this case, it doesn't hurt her at all. And you can see her from her face, you can tell she's relaxed. She's even telling her sister, mommy is doing stylish braid for me. So yeah, that's it. So guys, this is what I'm talking about. I keep on braiding, take some piece from the left and take some piece from the right. This is what I continue doing until I finish all the stitch braids. Okay, if you are a beginner, it's a perfect way for you to learn how to do a stitch braid. And then I went ahead with this same pink and stripes to also accessorize the hair. Once I'm done with that, I also plaited the ends of the hair just to get some loose coils at the tip of her hair, which she requested, so I had to do that. Trying to get some coils to make sure, and I make sure the hot water is hot enough to set those coils. So after that, I also use the towel to take some little hot water, not the one that will burn her hair, and I applied it on her braids just to release tension so that she won't feel pain. Of course, she said it doesn't hurt her, but yeah, just to release tension on the scalp, as we've already plaited her hair, just as you're seeing like this. This is what I did. Then afterwards, I went ahead to loose the braids I formed just to get those coils. So this is me losing these coils, and then you will see the end result, how beautiful the coils turn out. And then she's pleased with her coils, so I went ahead to add mousse to get the coil setting and apply it all over her head. Afterwards, I went in with my blow dryer just to make sure everything is dried properly and set properly. After that, I went ahead to add my homemade crude oil, which I applied in her scalp and the front part of her head. So this is what her hair is giving. You can see the egg growth oil I'm holding. So this is what I applied in her hair. I was looking at the front bit that the oil is not there, so that's why I applied it. So now that I'm done with her hair, she's looking all gorgeous, beautiful. Love the hair, I love how it turned out. And yeah, What do you think, guys? Do you think this hair is beautiful, or would you try this hairstyle? To me, I really like it. I love the loose braids in it. I really love it. It's giving the jumbo vibe. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Let me know in the comment section if this hair is beautiful. If you do, try it. See you guys in my next one. Bye.